G'day guys. This month we've got the full Jap S15 Silvia. Last time the S14 spoke for itself, and once again this S15 speaks for itself, but in a different way. We've gone from bone stock to now fully modified. So the first thing you'll notice is these big boy VSKFs, add in by 11.5 on the back, add in by 10.5 up front. God dang. So with this big ass dish, we've got the body kit to match. That's a Sea West styled Aero all round, including bonnet. So although all the visual styling's done, underneath the bonnet is kept pretty stock with only 110,000 kilometers with a nice Power FC ECU up-tuned to 220 kilowatt. Being an early 2000s car, we've only got 110,000 kilometers on the clock. Also, with the beautiful 5-speed manual as usual. Got a bit of a bonus. We've got a Kenwood Double Din head unit, 15-inch sub in the back, an all-round gangster sound system. All right, so that's it on this beautiful ride. So it's only 30 bucks and you have until the end of the month to get your entry in. Last month, we capped them right at the end, so do not miss out. Head to keepitreet.com.